Eggs, a nutritional powerhouse. Eggs have long been a staple in diets worldwide, and for good reason. These versatile and affordable foods are packed with essential nutrients that contribute to overall health and well-being. Let's delve into the numerous health benefits that eggs offer. A nutrient-dense food, eggs are considered one of nature's most perfect foods. They are an excellent source of high-quality protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues, producing enzymes, and supporting a strong immune system. Additionally, eggs are rich in vitamins, including vitamin D, which is crucial for bone health, and B vitamins, which play a vital role in energy metabolism. Key nutrients found in eggs: protein, essential for building and repairing tissues; vitamins A, D, E, K, and B vitamins; minerals: selenium, iodine, and phosphorus; choline, important for brain development and function. Health benefits of consuming eggs. Promote eye health. Eggs are a good source of lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that help protect the eyes from age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Support brain function. The choline found in eggs is essential for brain development and function. It helps with memory, mood regulation, and muscle movement. Boost immunity. Eggs contain vitamins and minerals that support a strong immune system, helping the body fight off infections and diseases. Aid in weight management. Despite being high in fat, eggs can actually help with weight management. They are very satiating, meaning they can help you feel full for longer periods, reducing overall calorie intake. Promote heart health. While eggs were once thought to raise cholesterol levels, recent studies have shown that for most healthy individuals, consuming eggs in moderation does not increase the risk of heart disease. In fact, the nutrients in eggs can help improve cholesterol profiles. Strong bones and teeth. The vitamin D and calcium in eggs contribute to strong bones and teeth, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Healthy skin and hair. The nutrients in eggs, such as biotin and vitamin B12, promote healthy skin and hair. How many eggs can you eat? While eggs offer numerous health benefits, it's important to consume them in moderation. The American Heart Association generally recommends limiting intake to 7 eggs per week for most healthy adults. However, individuals with certain health conditions, such as high cholesterol, may need to consult with a healthcare provider before increasing their egg consumption. Egg allergies and other considerations. While eggs are generally safe for most people, some individuals may have egg allergies. If you experience symptoms such as hives, swelling, or difficulty breathing after consuming eggs, it's important to seek medical attention immediately. Additionally, people with certain medical conditions, such as kidney disease, may need to limit their egg intake. In conclusion, eggs are a versatile and nutrient-dense food that can be incorporated into a healthy diet. They offer a wide range of health benefits, from promoting eye health to supporting brain function. While it's important to consume eggs in moderation, they can be a valuable addition to a balanced diet. Thank you for staying with us until the end of this video. If you enjoy our videos, please give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Let us know what you'd like us to make videos about next.